Welcome guys to Wide Media Networks, and I'm going to show you basics on how to come up with a creative website. And we are going to be creating a website using Joomla 3.0 version, and this is going to be mainly for beginners, those who have no idea in these things. And I would like us to pay attention and cooperate in everything that we are going to do. This is an example of a website that we are going to create, and I want you to pay keen attention on it. This is the Joomla, the Joomla, and the website is going to be called Wide Media Restaurant, and this is how it's going to appear, the home page of the website, as you all can see it. Then yeah, this is the way we are going to make that website to look like. And I kindly request that you pay attention to that. We shall create about us page with this information that you are seeing it being displayed here. Then we shall create our location page with these contents. Then we shall also learn how to create our menu with the contents that you can see there. That is our menu. Then we shall learn also how this is just a photo that I've inserted. Then we shall also learn how to create our contact us page with a form where people can just write email and send to the company. Then that's all we are going to create for now, because this is the basics for web designing, and it is very important we learn these basics before we can move on to greater things. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to take the Joomla that I have. I've extracted Joomla that we're going to use in our requirements folder. Then you click on it. That is it, Joomla. I've renamed it as Wide Media Rest. I just click on it, then you copy it. You don't cut because you'll need it again. So we just copy it and paste it in our XAMPP partition C in htdocs, where we have XAMPP htdocs. Then we paste it there. I'm going to repeat again. I said this is the Joomla, so you just click on htdocs and paste it right there. Remember, we are pasting it in htdocs and not anywhere else for us to access it. And this htdocs is only found in the XAMPP folder after you have installed the XAMPP program, which is the server. XAMPP is just the server used to host this website as you design them. And it's very important for you to be having this XAMPP, because we shall be using it to create databases and so many other things. So XAMPP is just a server mainly used for hosting websites, pre-designed websites offline, and create databases. Now, if you don't have it, kindly talk to me. I can give you the program, the XAMPP program, so that you can easily use it. I'm going to show you the XAMPP software, the way it looks like, and make sure that you install it before you start this designing, because if you don't have it, you cannot design a website without a server. We have so many servers, but I prefer using XAMPP because it's easy. We also have WAMP, but for this tutorial we are only going to use XAMPP. XAMPP, this is how it looks like here. This is the program, that is the program XAMPP. You can see it, and if you talk to me, I can share with you the program via my Google Drive. Then you can download it and use it for these purposes. Yeah. So the folder XAMPP will always be there after you have installed the program XAMPP. If you haven't, you will not see that program and that folder. Therefore, that is the folder we shall be using for all websites, to design all websites. You just copy and paste it in XAMPP htdocs folder. So I want us to create a database for our website because we need a database. So for us to create that database, we are going to click on localhost. That is the name used to access the XAMPP on our browser. So just click on write localhost there, type localhost, the way you can see. Then it will load and give you the home page of XAMPP. That's it. This is the home page of XAMPP, as you can see. Then we shall click on phpMyAdmin to create our database, because we need to create a database for our Joomla. I said I'm too fast. Let me come again. I said we shall be clicking on phpMyAdmin down there. Make sure that's where you click if you want to create a database. Then you will see this page where you just click on databases. Then you create new database and write the name of the database there. The name of the database is going to depend on the website you are creating. You can, for example, this one we are going to create our website on Wide Media Restaurant. So just type there Wide Media Rest or Wide Media Restaurant. That is going to be a name for our database. It is very important for you to create this database before you can start anything else. So just click on create. It will create successfully. Then we are done with the XAMPP things. So now we are still waiting for that to complete copying. So we can just click on to access that the Joomla. So we just click on we write localhost, because that is how to access it. So click on localhost. Then you write the name of the folder exactly the way it is in XAMPP. The name of that folder in htdocs. The name is Wide Media Rest. So that is what you are going to be writing on our browser. So just write Wide Media Rest. Wide Media Rest, the way it is. Then you click it to load it. It cannot load completely until all the files have been moved to that folder. So it will finish loading after the files are completely moved. So you can see it has started to come. It has started to come, yeah. So it has started to come. But this one will be fully displayed when it has completely copied all files there. So you can give it some few seconds to finish copying, then we can move on. Remember that you are going to always be following this because the steps are very easy to follow. You just look at it and do exactly what you're seeing here. So we are almost done. We are almost done. Yeah, we are almost there. Now, when it finishes to copy the files, we'll have to reload this page now to display the remaining components. We just refresh it so that now it comes fully. Now that's it. Then this is now the home page of Joomla, the way it appears. So you are going to write the name of the website you are creating in site name. So click there and write the name of the website. Just write there the name. Now we are creating Wide Media Restaurant. So just click on Wide Media Restaurant and write it the way it is, Wide Media Restaurant. Then give a brief description of the website, just anything to describe the website you're creating. You can decide to write something like get healthy meals for this case, because this is what you're creating. So just write get healthy meals, something like that. Then we shall go to our admin email. This is the email of the administrator or the person who is going to manage this website, either be you or the company you're going to sell to. But I prefer that you write your email here as the designer of the website, so that in case of anything they will always contact you for more information. Yeah, so I'm going to be writing here my email address as the the designer of the website. So admin, I'm going to write my email there as widemedia254@gmail.com. Then you are going to write the admin username, the username you're going to use there, and the password. Then you confirm the password, and you're going to make this site offline. So just click on yes there. Then we shall change it later if need be. So just write yes. Then after you are through, now you can just click on no, so that when you host the website it doesn't show offline again. Yeah, then we are coming on this page after clicking our next. Then on this page you are going to change the username from admin to root. The username is always going to be root. Anytime you want to write, just be writing root, and then leave the password blank, don't fill it. Then go to database name. The database name is going to be the name of the database that we created earlier. Remember, we created a database in our XAMPP, so take that name the way it is, Wide Media Restaurant, without altering anything. So just write it the way it is, Wide Media Restaurant, the way it appears, Wide Media Restaurant. Then you remove the old database processes, so just remove them so that they are not appearing. Then you move to next. Now on the next, you just confirm that everything you have written is okay. You just check and confirm. You don't change anything there, you just confirm. Then you click on install. When you click on install, it's going to install all the information, so just give it some few minutes to install everything. It is very easy to follow this Joomla version because it has already predefined templates that you are just going to fill in your own information, and it is very easy to use. We have others like WordPress, Drupal, and so many others, but I prefer using Joomla because it is easy as compared to others. But all the same, we are going to learn how to use all these website programs to design websites. Now that is it. We can now just remove the folder, installation folder. After you are told congratulations, that means that it has installed. Now remove the installation folder. You have to. So click on remove installation folder, then just click on administrator to start designing your website. So just click on administrator. So when you click on administrator, it's going to bring you to this where you have to put your admin username and password. Then you just click login. After you have entered your admin and password details the way you have named them, then you just click on login. After logging in, our Joomla will direct you to its control panel. This one, which is very wordy and a lot of informations are there, but you don't have to worry about all this information because we shall be looking at them in a very simplified manner. So we don't need to bother a lot with all these informations. All I want is just to update our user details. So we are going to update our user details so that anything you write in this website is going to be under your name, because after hosting this website, your name should be in the back end, so that somebody who is an admin like you is going to know that it is you who designed this website, and you can get credits for that. Yeah, so I'm going to change username, super user to my name, like for example, Wide Media. Then you can change the login name if you wish, but I prefer leaving it as admin. Then you can decide to change passwords if you want. or just leave it the way it is. Then you confirm that the email is correct and all that information. Then after confirming everything, you just save and close. You save and close. That brings us here. Now we are going to first of all look at the website. You know, at this point we already have that website showing, so we shall just click on wide media rest at this corner here. You can see at this corner is where we have the preview of the website. If you just click there, it will direct you to this website. It will always direct you to the website, the one that we are now designing. Now you can see this is already a predesigned website that we have. So all we need is just to change these informations and put there our own information, change everything and make it better for us. You can see we're just going to change all these informations and make them to be what we want. All the informations. Now that is going to be a bit easy because you can see everything is in place. But I prefer that we be creative and create our own information. That means that I'm going to erase every information on this page and make it a very different page, so that we don't get used to this, because so many people use these templates and you can get information that are always similar in this page, in these websites. Therefore, I prefer that we are going to remove everything there. We are going to remove everything the way you can see, so that we remain with only our information. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is going to I want us to click on plugin manager, because that is the first step we do. There are some plugins that are disabled, so we are going to enable those plugins so that we use them. So we click on status to arrange all the disabled. These ones are all disabled, the ones with the red X. It means that they are all disabled. So we have to enable them. How do we enable them? We just check all of them. Check all of them. We shall be checking all of them except two, and the first one is system cache. Make sure you don't check system cache. We leave it disabled so that we make our work easier here. We just leave it disabled and enable the rest, and just leave it the way it is. Don't bother enabling it. Yeah. Then we shall also disable another one called system redirect. So we are going to look for system redirect so that it allows all templates to run. So just click on system redirect. Yeah, let's search for it. System redirect. It is here. I found it. Yeah. So now let us try to disable it. So we are going to disable it. Yeah, it has disabled. Now we are free to continue. Now the next thing is going to be to remove all these contents. And for us to do that, the first thing we are going to do is to remove these menus that you are seeing here. I want us to remove the menus on this page. So we just click on menus, go to menu, main menu. After going to main menu, I would like us to remove all those menus you are seeing there. All these are menus, so just check all of them by clicking on we are going to check all of them to remove them by clicking on that, except the home. We don't remove the home, the home menu. We just click on trash now, and let it load. There are quite many, so we still need to trash again all those. So we just again click on check all except home, and trash again. Yeah, then again still we need to trash more, so that we only remain with the home. We shall check home and trash the rest. As you can see, now we only have home. And then we shall go to others. We still have other menus like bottom menu, top menu, quick menu. We don't need that right now, so we are going to disable all of to delete all of them except the main menu. So we just delete and confirm. After deleting, we shall only remain with one menu item called main menu. And if you look at our website now, you'll see that if you reload it, we only remain with the only home menu. That's all you can see. We only have the home menu here. So we are still going to remove all these other contents because we don't need them. So we are going to click back to our content, go to article manager. Then on our article manager, we are going to click on all these contents are irrelevant because we don't need them, so just check all of them and trash. Click on trash to trash all of them. Then there are so many, so you just trash all of them. Trash all of them. It will take some time because the contents were so many. I want to show you how to design a website from scratch, so that even if you use these templates, you have an idea of what you are doing. Okay, so I'd like to use a scratch where we don't have anything, we fill everything ourselves. So we are also going to trash that. Yeah, give it some time, give it some time, give it some time. We also trash the remaining one. Yeah, that one. So just trash it so that we don't have any article. So if we reload this page, you are going to see that it's going to be empty with no information, as you can see. But we still have some few things to also remove, and the ones you can see there, those are called modules. So we're also going to our modules. In our extensions, click on module manager. Click on module manager in our extensions. Then we are going to remove all these modules because we don't need them. Just check all of them, and then after checking all of them, we trash them. So we are going to just trash all of these modules. There are still more, so you also check all of them and trash them. There are still more, just again check and trash more. Yeah, so we don't have any. So if you reload our page now, we are going to see that now our page remains empty and blank, and that's exactly what we want. That's exactly what we want. So we can now fill our own contents and information on this page. So we are going first of all to remove the background, sample background. The way you can see it, it is not appealing. So that I said we are going to remove the sample background and also change some few things and add some more menus here, the way you can see, so that our page looks appealing, and put some contents in the middle here, and also change the background of this. We can decide to change the background so that it looks nice. Yeah, so let us just go to template manager. In the template manager, we are going to select the template you are using. This is the template you are using, called Oasis. So you're using Oasis template. So you just click on it and make some changes. Just click on it. So when you click on it, this is what is going to appear. Yeah. Now I want us to change the background colors. You just click on backgrounds. You can put any colors you wish. You can put any colors you wish. You can just change the background colors to any colors you wish, and so on. You can just manipulate all this information because this is just giving the background. the background of the website. You can manipulate it at your own time. If you want to see what happens, just click on any of them, change colors, and see how it displays on the website. For now, we are not going to do all that because it is a bit tedious for learning purposes, but you can just always change any color, any font, or anything on this template by just clicking anywhere and changing the colors and doing everything, just manipulating it. Yeah, so I will not be showing you everything on this, but you can always change colors the way you want them to be, like that. For example, you can try to change the background color to something like let's say that. Yeah, then after doing that, we can still see something else to change the background. There are so many things here to change. Yeah, then we can also manipulate everything here. You can just be changing all these things to be whatever you want on our website. Those are just the settings for this template. You can make them to be anything you want to make so that they change. Now I'll just take you through all these settings. You can change the layout of the template the way you want it to be, and do few things, just changing them to make it presentable and live, more live, by changing everything the way it appears. Now I'm looking for a place to remove the background of the logo, the top background, the menu background. That's what I want to remove, the sample. So I'm going to locate it somewhere, I think it is in template specifics. Yeah, it is here. I found it. So we are going to just remove that. Just click it and remove it in template specifics, remember. So just click there and delete it. Then you can change the background to be something else, then you can reload your page. You first of all save. It is important to save, then you preview what happens, then you can continue. Just click on it and save. You'll see that the background colors are going to change. Yeah, you have seen those are background colors. They have changed because we have changed them. Yeah, so now I think we can change this background to something better. It's very clear, so we can just make it something dull so that for good appealing of the eyes. Yeah, I think that one is better. Yeah, that's better, so we can work with that. Now let us change the word oasis to the title of our website, and we are using wide media restaurant. So we click on module manager, and in our module manager there is no module, so we are going to create a new module so that we change the name of this oasis. Now modules are used to put contents on our website the way I've shown you. So we are going to create a new module to change the word oasis there to our restaurant. So just click on custom HTML. So clicking on custom HTML, it will give you that. So under the title just write the name like title, because we want it to have a title. So just click write title there. Then we write the title of the title there, wide media, for example, wide media restaurant, because that's what you are using. Then we give it a position. Positioning means that we are going to show it where it's going to display on the page. And remember, we are using template Oasis, so we are only going to use positions for our template. We are not going to choose any position for any other template because it won't show. So we only choose templates for Oasis, and for this case we have logo. So click on logo, because it is only Oasis that you are using. So click on logo, and because we don't need to show the title, it is always important for us to be hiding the title so that we don't show it. Then you save and close. Then you try to preview it on our website. So if you preview, you are going to see the name appearing there. It is very small though, but it has appeared. So that is the title of the restaurant. We can always change it to something bigger by manipulating the size and all that. But now let us try to create some menu, um, some menu items. But because that is too small, I think we should change it to replace it with a logo. So first of all, we are creating menu because we did not have it. So let me create a menu by writing their main menu, and just hide the title and save it. Give it a position. Menu is always shown in a main menu or top menu or something like that. So if you are searching for, it is important to search. If you are aware, you just type on search and search to see if it's there. Now for our Oasis, we don't have top menu, so there is no that position there. We only have top rows, so we cannot use that. We only have bottom menu for menus, and maybe I would prefer that we refer to the position. Let us first of all try to search. We only have logo and no other positions. No other positions there. We don't have top menu or something. It is not there, as you all can see. So since it is not there, I'm going to prefer that we check on the position. We refer to our website that we are creating. We refer to the website that we are creating, so that we see the position that we are going to use depending on that website that we have already created. So since I'm not seeing that position here, I prefer that we refer, but we can always use custom. We can always use custom positions. We have some custom positions which shows on any template. We can try to save this position and see if it will show. If we save that and preload it, it is bringing us something down here which is not too good, so we can't use that position. So I prefer that we see what we used in our other website that we are creating. We check the position of our menu. So Let me confirm the position because it is important to use that. Yeah. Just be patient. Yeah. So I want our website menu to appear exactly at this position for this wide media restaurant, because we are trying to duplicate this website. So we are going to have it appearing here. So we are going to use this position, and therefore we are going to just see where we have the menu. That is it. It is appearing in middle top one. So it is middle top one. That's where it is appearing. So if you look at, no, it is not middle top one, because I used ice mega menu module, and it is appearing on top menu instead. So I'm going to click there and just type in top menu. Just type top menu. Just type top menu. Yeah, and just click on it, top menu. That is a custom. Then try to save it and see where it appears. Yeah, I think it is now in that position. That is the top menu that you are going to use. So we shall be using that position. Now I want us to insert all other menus there, so that we have about us, location, menu, and the rest, and the way they are here. So we shall just click on that and save this and close, because we are done with it. So we just save the module menu and close it. Then we shall go to menus, go to menu manager, click on main menu. That is the main menu that we are having. We have one menu which is home. The home menu is always default, because we must have a default menu. So we are just going to create new to add on that. And our first one is about us. So we just create about us page. About us page. Then we save and new. Then we click on location. We just click on location, and then we save and new. Then we go to the next called after location we have a menu. So we just also create menu. This is the menu for the restaurant. We save and new. Then we create the last one called contact us. So we are going to create contact us. Yeah. Then we save and close. We are through with the menus. Now if you load our page, you are going to see that all of them are going to appear the way they are. You can see all of them have appeared the way they are. Now I want us to do something on that word, because it is very tiny. I would prefer that we change it with the logo that I created earlier. So we are going just to insert that logo in that place, so that we replace the word. So we just go to content. We are going to go to first of all, because we need this logo, we are going to insert it in our, we are going to import it in short. So if you want to import it, we shall just go to our module manager. Yeah, module manager. Then in module manager, we are going to create new. Just click on new. Then click on custom HTML. Click on custom HTML. Then write the title is a logo, so just write logo. Just write logo. Then in this place where we edit, we're just going to import an image. So just click on image there, down there. Then after clicking on image, the image will display itself. Then we just there are so many images here. We have not yet imported ours, so we are just going to do some importation because we don't have it there. So just move down and choose file on upload file. Just choose file, click on choose file, then you choose the file that we want to import. That one is on my desktop, so just click on wide media. Yeah, then sorry, I've done something here, so sorry, let's go back. Just choose file, then that's it, then upload it. Then after you have uploaded it, you select it, click on it, then you insert. Just click insert. Yeah, there it is. So you can just resize it and make it to the size that you want. You can always resize it to any size. Then after doing that, you will just give it a position. We want it to appear on the logo position, so just click on logo for the Oasis template. Then save it. Then you can preview where it has displayed. Yeah, there it is. So because it is there and is not showing clearly, I would prefer that we remove the wide media restaurant text, so that we only have the logo there. We shall first of all save and close this. After saving and closing, we can now disable the title. So just click the tick at the center to disable it. Then we can preview and see it. Now wide media comes correctly. Then now, because our background is not is very dull, I would prefer that we change the background to something better. So we are going back to our template manager, then we change the background. We are going to change the background of the menu. Remember we found it on template specifics. Just click on template specifics, then change the color. I don't think if it's that one, it is the dark color, so the color is here. We change it and make it something clear that is bright enough, maybe like that. Then we can save and see. You can just save and preview what has happened. Yeah, I think that is better. You can use this. It looks better. It's appealing to the eye. Yeah. Then after doing that, I want us to put that name, Get Healthy Meals, so that it also appears there. So we save this and close first. Then we shall go back to our module manager and to that logo that we just imported and click on it. Just click on the logo. Yeah, because we want to edit it, we shall first of all just delete it. Then we import it again. Just click on image. Click on image. Yeah, something like that. Then insert. Then I forgot, sorry. Just click on image. I forgot something here. Just click on image. Then we go to caption area. Caption area, that's where we are going to write Get Healthy Meals. So right there, Get Healthy Meals, the way it is. Get Healthy Meals. Yeah, Get Healthy Meals. Get Healthy Meals. Then we insert now. You will see the word appearing there. So I want us to make it a bit bold. Yeah, and then we try to save and see what happens. If you save and reload the page, you will see that it has appeared, but it's somewhere down there hidden. So you're going to make it better so that it appears. So for us to do that and make it to appear like that, we are going to um, just click on that, then try to move it by clicking on spacing. Just move it to something like that. Then let's see where it will appear. Save it and preload our page. It is still not appearing. Therefore, I think we shall change the font. Try to change the font. Then also save it and preview what will happen. Yeah, there it has come. Now let us move it a bit closer. It is very far, so just click there and backspace a little bit so that it is a bit close. Yeah, then you save and preview again. Every time you do any change, you have to save and preview so that you see. Yeah, that's at least better. It can be like that. Now that's it. Though this one the spacing is a bit wider, but I think this is better. It is better that way. So let us go to the slideshow. Now, how do we import that slideshow? Let us save this and close. Now, for our slideshow, we are going to import a slideshow because we don't have any. So just click on Extension Manager there. After clicking on Extension Manager, it will bring you to this page. Then you just choose File. I have a file. If you don't have it, you will always find it with me. You just contact me. I will send you all the files that you are going to use. Now I prefer that we use a predefined template. Sorry, it is very far, but I can just locate it very fast. I think it is somewhere here, and it is called we shall be using PKG. Yeah, that one. Then after choosing it, we install it. It will take some time to install. Yeah. Yeah, it has installed. Then we shall go to Module Manager. After installing it, just click on Module Manager. You'll find it there. Just click on it now. Then we activate it and give it a position. So we shall publish it. Click on and publish. Then hide the title and give it a position. Now we want it to appear exactly at the same place like that. So we shall always give it a breadcrumbs position. Because I think that is the position that we are using, breadcrumbs position. Then we save it, but before we save, we have to give the folder of where the images are going to be coming from. So it is very important that we specify that folder name. So we shall be using images sample data fruit shop for this case. So we just save first of all, give it menu assignment because we have to assign it somewhere. So just click on menu assignment and show it the pages that we want it to appear to. And because it is just slideshow, you can just click on all pages so that it shows on all the pages there. So we can just click on so that it shows on the rest of the pages. We just have to click on all pages so that it shows on all the pages there, because it's just a slideshow and it is very important to use this slideshow. It impresses the user so that it appears like this. On About Us page, you'll find it. On location page, when you click on the location page, you'll still find it. when you click on menu, you can still be able to see it, and when you click on contact us, you can still be able to see it. So I want us to make it appear on all pages so that it is easy, it is appealing. So just click on all pages so that it shows on all pages. Then we shall save and preview. Now if you preview it, there it comes, there it is, but you'll see that the photos are showing the photos that are in that folder already. So we're going just to change the photos and put there our own photos because we don't need those photos. So we shall save this and close. Then we shall go to our content. We shall click on our content. Then we go to Media Manager. Then on Media Manager, we are going to locate that folder. The folder is called Sample Data. So you can see there are so many images here, but you don't need them. So just go to Sample Data, then go to Photoshop because that's the folder you want. Then you find these images. We are going to replace these images with our own images as you are seeing them. So just check all of them. Just check all of them and delete all of them. Yeah, that's it. After deleting all of them, we are going to upload our own images. So just click on upload because we need to upload our own images. Choose. Then I'm going to use the images that I downloaded online for these purposes, and these are the images. So just check all of them. We are checking all of them. We are checking all of them. Then after checking all of them, we can now start upload. Start upload to upload all of them. Yeah, that's it. After doing that, you can just reload your page and you'll see that the images are replaced. Yeah, that's it exactly. So these are the images that are going to display for our restaurant. Yeah, you can see it's appealing. It's appealing. Yeah, it's appealing. It's appealing. Yeah. Now I want us to edit now the home page because we need to add these contents, all the other contents. We have the services, meals, and all that. So I want us to edit all those contents and add them there on our page. So